Hello, Susan Vincentz here, and we're back with part 3 of our Google Classroom series. And in this video, we're going to talk about creating a class. So we've learned what Google Classroom is, we've learned how to sign in, and now we're going to create or even join a class. So when you first sign in, you're going to get a screen that looks like this after you've identified yourself as a teacher and all that good stuff. Now, if you signed in before and have already been part of Google Classroom classes, your screen may look a little more like this with a little bit less of these tiles and such as you get involved in Google Classroom. But if you've never used Google Classroom before and you're getting ready to either join or set up your first class, you're going to get an empty screen right here. So to actually create or join a class, you're going to use the plus sign on the top right hand corner up here. So I'm going to hit the plus sign, and if I'm going to join a class, so say you're in a PD or you're going to have your students join your class, you're going to hit join class, and the teacher or administrator of that class is going to have a code to give you, and we will show you where to find that when you create your own. So for now, we're going to just create a class. So I'm going to hit the plus sign, create class, and give it a name. So say this is my first grade class. I'm going to call it Mrs. Vincent's First Grade 2020-2021. And then the rest of this stuff is not required, just this first option. So I'm going to hit create. And it's creating my class, so it'll take just a couple of moments, and then once it's finished, it will pop up here on this main screen and you'll see it in a little tile block. Okay, so it's going to load the class. Now it'll try to give you a little tutorial. You can either hit got it or X. I'm going to hit got it. Now I'm going to go back out to my main screen and show you what this is going to look like. So we have our little 3 lines menu, and if I click my 3 lines and I click on the home button that says classes, it takes me out here, because when I access Google Classroom, either through my waffle or via classroom.google.com, this is where I'm going to go. So I can just click on my class, and then I can see everything I need to see. And I can change my picture and add things. And then when I mentioned the code earlier, when I want to have students join my class, this is one way that that can be done, by giving them this code. You can also invite them through the People tab, which we will discuss more later. So now again, I'm going to hit my 3 lines, go to my home classes page. To create a class or to join one, I'm going to hit the plus sign, hit create class, fill in my information, and my class will pop up here on my menu screen, and we call these tiles. Okay? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you very much.